Hey guys, this is me Sam and welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video, we'll be doing BTS Spotify template art. So recently I have listened one of their songs Life Goes On and it is my total favorite nowadays. And I think you guys should listen that too. And with today's video, I'll be starting my first sketchbook. I'm super excited for it. I've seen doing the Spotify template art to many people in glass, but I can't do that, so I'm doing this on a sheet of paper. So grab your materials and sit down on a table and let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So the material required are as follows: masking tape, sketch pens, fine writers, any sheet, colors, paintbrush, water, and a fancy background. So the first step is that we have to create this kind of Spotify template first. I have used pencil and I suggest you guys doing this first. I'll mention the measurements at the right top corner. Now it's time to do the anatomies with pencil in the picture area. Well, explaining how to do anatomy is difficult for me because even I don't know how to do anatomies properly. So this is the anatomy which I practiced before doing this sketch, and personally I feel that this practice sketches is much better than the thing which I did before. After you're done with the anatomies, take a fine writer and outline the anatomy like this. So here is the behind the scene of what I did exactly. After you're done outlining the picture, it's time to tape down the sides. Now you can color the BTS characters on the colors of your choice, but I have seen the reference picture from Pinterest and I am doing the same. So while painting I won't do the voiceover, and the colors which I used will be mentioned in the right top corner. So if you want you can take the same reference. After you're done with the painting, untape the borders and outline everything which you had done with the pencil using the find writer. Take a black color. Also use a sketch pen for the pause button and the time lag, also for the title of the song. Use green color sketch pen for the like button. And here ends our process. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Share this video with your family, friends and loved ones, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon too to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And what were your opinions about today's video? Was it good or anything? Let me know that in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos or any challenges or anything you want to speak to me, let me know that in the chat box. And I'll see you guys super soon with more such amazing videos ahead. So until the next video, peace, signing out, bye bye.